Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. SK Hand Machine. Just making some stuff in my garage. These are the wallets that I make. This is the thin one, and this is the thick one. You can check quickly the thickness, just so you guys know on camera. This one's about 0.565, so about 1/16 over half an inch. And this one's about 3/8. So not very thick. You got 3.65 and 2.75 pocket clip is just over 1/8 thick. One of the nice things about this wallet is that when you don't push the buttons, those cards are in there. They're not coming out. With only one card, it cannot come out, and it is locked in there. And how you can hear that satisfying click that it's locked away and it's home and it's not going to fall out. It's kind of like my fidget toy. The same deal with the small and the big. The big one has a really nice snap as well. Yeah, the hardware is stainless steel. Let's just tear one down. So the money clip just has 2 screws that hold it on, so we don't need to take that off. But the rest of it is held together with 4 screws, 1 in each corner. And you don't have to be scared to take your wallet apart. You can take it apart, clean it. I haven't actually taken my wallet apart for the whole 1.5 years I've used it. I haven't cleaned it out, haven't done anything. It's been on beaches, it's been in my pocket every day, and I have had no problems. So all you do is you take out all 4 screws. So there it is. 4 screws are gone. Pull off the top, and then you can see how the construction is. There's 2 springs and 2 arms. I always ship them with a little bit of oil. It's a very small amount is all gone. It's just like a drop I put in there. There's these 2 pins on each side, and they sandwich together. When the wall is sandwiched together, they line up, and that hole goes on like that. That's it. That's all there is. Super simple. And then this can just rock her back and forth. And when you put in the spring, that gives you that snapping action. So we'll put it back together here, just to show you that it's not a difficult thing to do. Just gonna have to line up the springs the right way. So the nice thing about me being the one who manufactures or builds these things here in Canada in my own garage is that if anything breaks, I don't have to send you a whole new wallet. I don't have to send you, a complete thing that would cost you money. I can just send you, say you ripped your pocket clip off because it got snagged on something or whatever. I can send you, if the pocket clip got wrecked, I could send you just that. I could send you just the back. All these wallets are all built the same, so any piece should work on another one. All of the stuff so far built here at SK Hand Machine, it's all recycled material. This is recycled aluminum. This is just aluminum from a scrapyard. It's a little bit more work to prepare it and to do the first few ops on it. And I'm just trying to do my part for the environment. If you can use it, why not reuse it? So there's a contoured slope here on the front. So I always grab it like this when I'm using it. You squeeze with these two fingers, and that lets the cards come out freely. So if you pull really hard, you can get the cards out without squeezing those things. But if you just squeeze them, the card just slides out easily. And then if you let them go, the cards will just sit there. On the back there's a cutout, but there's no slope because the money clip is right here. Equally as easy to grab those cards from that side. Let's say you want to get to the middle cards. It's super simple. Just grab it. You can just go through which card do you want. Slap it back in. So it's a really easy wallet to use. Super secure. RFID secure. The spiral pattern on the front makes it look nice. It also gives it a little bit of grip for holding it, which is kind of like a knurling almost, which is really nice. It's not sharp or anything, but it's just, you know, it's just got that little bit of texture to it, which is really nice. So this this wallet holds up to 6. This other one holds 10, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 cards. Squeeze the buttons. No problem. 10 cards, no problem. You could, I have had 12 cards in here depending on the thickness. Guaranteed 10 cards will fit though. So it just depends what thickness you want. It's very durable. I'm a framer by trade, and this wallet is in my pocket all day long, every day. I mean, obviously there's all kinds of fingerprints and stuff on it, but it is basically new. There's a couple you can see here on some of the corners. There's a couple, like some of the anodizing is just slightly worn off, just hardly. You know, in some ways I almost like the look of it a little bit more. It's got a little bit of some battle scars to it, you know, where I've dropped it on the concrete and stuff like that. So it has stood up remarkably well. So I don't think you'll have a problem with durability in any way on these wallets. You have your cards, you have your cash. It's nice, simple design, it's small, it's light, it's durable. Yeah, thanks for watching.